Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my December and January unbaggings on my Yes bags. So if you guys want to see what I got for these 2 months, then keep watching. If you don't know what Yes is, it is a monthly subscription service that is $14.99 a month. You get 5 to 7 full-size items, and every month you get some sort of palette. Eyeshadow palette, highlight palette, lip palette. You get a palette. I am a brand ambassador, so I do have a link down below if you guys want to sign up, and I do get a little something if you sign up, so I would greatly appreciate if you did use my link. Thank you. A while ago on Instagram stories, I asked you guys if you wanted to see my December and January unbaggings together or separate, and a lot of you guys just said together, just because my December bag came on Christmas Eve and there was just no way I could film it like that week. It was just too crazy. So first we're going to start off with the December bag. I'm not going to lie, I did open it just because I wanted to make sure everything came safe. So normally in the bags you get a card with like a theme, but there was no card, so I have everything written down here on a piece of paper so I could tell you guys what I got. The first product that we got in the December bag is this Cokey Kissable Liquid Lipstick in the shade Dolled Up. So this retails for $9, and this is what it looks like right here. It's a really pretty coral shade. I'm very excited to try this. I've never tried Cokey, and I always hear people say, oh, it's at Walmart, but my Walmart doesn't have it. The one thing is, the smells, I don't like the smell. It kind of smells like crayons to me, so it's like a little negative. But I really like the shade, so I'm very excited to use it. I haven't used any of these products yet because I wanted to unbag them with you guys before I use them. The next product is one of the palettes that we got in our December bag, and it is the Beauty Creations Cali Chic palette. This palette retails for $25. These shades in here are just so pretty. I cannot wait to use this. I've been dying to use this. I literally had to hide the bag from myself because I knew if I didn't, I'd just use all the products and not do an unbagging for you guys. But the palette is just really pretty. I really like their palettes. I have the Cali set, which was all like burgundy shades and like pinks. Really pretty. So this is just all bronzy tones, so I'm just going to swatch a few for you guys. I'm gonna do, I don't know which shimmer is like calling my name. I think Boardwalk. I'll do Beach Babe, and Malibu looks really interesting. So we'll do Malibu right here. It's just like a really pretty yellow gold. Then Beach Babe, which is a nice like that terracotta. And then Boardwalk. Oh, okay. Boardwalk's like a really pretty, like, flamey color. Definitely going to be doing tutorials with this. Next up, we have this Masquerade Hydrating Lip Mask. This retails for $10, and I really like the Masquerade masks. I got one in my very first Yes bag. I just wish we got more masks from them in the bags, just because, like I said, I like getting masks. The one thing though is I'm not the biggest fan of lip masks. That's just me. I don't know, I just don't feel like they ever work. So let me know if you guys want a review on this, because I will gladly do one, or I'll just do like an Instagram review. But I've been dying to try this, so I might try this out soon, like today. Next up is this Bellapierre Pro Concealer Palette. This palette retails for $21, and this like sparked controversy on the Yes website or Instagram. So apparently this was in BoxyCharm. A lot of people say that all this stuff is in BoxyCharm, and this apparently isn't the best concealer. I think, oh, smells like crayons. Oh, I did not smell that when I first got this. But I think I'm gonna do a testing out video because I'm very interested to see how this goes. I do have a video on how to color correct, because I do have another color correcting palette. So I want to try this out and see how it goes. And if it's horrible, I think I might just take the pans out and keep the mirror, because the mirror is really nice. But like I said, this just sparked so much controversy on the Yes Instagram page because people said it was really, really bad. So I want to try it out for myself and see how it goes. I'll definitely do a video for you guys. The last product that we got for December was this Crown Luna Badger Angle Brush. So this brush, it's nice. It's dense. I think it'll be okay to do highlight. I'll try that out. I'm just honestly not the biggest fan of Crown brushes. I think they're just not good, but we'll see. I'm just also kind of over getting brushes. I don't know. I feel like every month we get a brush, and I know next month for February we're getting brushes, but I already have an angled brush that I got from Yes, from Crown Brush, and it's another Badger brush, and I don't need another angled brush. That's like my thing. Like I don't need another one. So I'm going to try this out and I'll see how it goes. The total value for December's bag was $86, so I think it was a pretty good amount of money. I'm really excited for the liquid lip and the palette. Those are definitely two items that I've just been like dying to try. So now on to January's bag, which I think January's bag is way better than December's bag. So for January, we did get a card, and the theme is 2019, it's all about you. And then on the back here, it says all the products, and then the total value of the bag. So the first product that we got is a palette from Crown Brush. And this is so nicely packaged because it's in this box. And then it's in bubble wrap. So this is the OMG Crown palette. This palette retails for $10 and the shades are stunning. The pans are really big. Does this have a smell too? Ew, everything's got a smell today. I think it's because I haven't been able to breathe for a while and I'm finally getting my like breathing back, but the palette's really pretty. I really cannot wait for it. I like the jewel tones, like the blues and the purples. It's so pretty. I'm going to swatch. I really am dying to swatch this blue shade and this purple. They're very soft, very soft. So here's the blue. Okay, that's really pretty. And here's the purple. Okay, they're both really pretty. I'm very excited to try this. The next product I have is this NCLA Luxury Gold Glitter Lacquer. This retails for $21. I actually have it on my nails right now. It's just a nice, pretty, like, gold glitter. I really, really like it. It dried really fast. I've had it on since Saturday. Today's Monday, and it hasn't, you know, chipped or anything. And yeah, I just really like the glitter. I think it's really fun. I really like NCLA nail polishes. We got another one a couple months ago. I got this like really pretty pinky one in I've Been Drinking. So pretty. These two look really pretty together, I think, for the spring and summer. So it's gonna definitely be a nail combo. Next, we have a pigment, and this is the Appeal Cosmetics Charcoal Pigment. I've always wanted to try pigments, so I'm very excited to try this. This retails for $21. I'm not going to swatch this because it's going to make a very big mess, but it's a really pretty charcoal color and it has some glitter to it. I don't know if you can tell, but I feel like this will be really pretty for like a really dramatic smoky eye. I can just like envision it in my head now. Next up is a highlighter. I think I can't figure it out. If you guys know, let me know in the comments down below. But this is the INMO Universe's Star Highlighter. So this highlight retails for $10. And it's just, this is no way it's can be a highlight for me. Deeper skin tones, probably, but it's just very like orangey and peachy. It swatches like this. It swatches really nicely, but I mean, highlighter, no. I'm definitely going to try and use it as a eyeshadow. I think that'll look really pretty. The packaging is super cute, but this is just definitely not a highlighter for me. I kind of wish, that's like one thing I wish Yes did, is they let you kind of pick out like your skin tone and stuff when you fill out your profile, because that way people will be able to get more things like cater to them, like, you know, I don't know. That's just one of my, just like one complaint I have with them. And the last product that I have is this Beauty Creations Long Wear Matte Lip Gloss in the shade Kiss Me. This retails for $8, and when I saw matte lip gloss, I was, you know, a little confused. but it sounds interesting. The color's really pretty. It's just like a magenta, I guess. There it is right there. Ooh, now this smells good. It smells fruity. So what the heck is going on with these smells? But that's the swatch right there. Looks pretty, so definitely going to try that out and see how this goes. The total price of this bag is $70. I paid $14.99 and my total savings was 78.5%. I definitely think I'm going to get a lot of use out of this month's bag. I like the products, just the highlighter, I kind of wish you were able to choose your own. That's just like my one major complaint. But otherwise, I think that it is worth it. And that is it for my December and January Yes Oh Yes unbagging. If you want to sign up, like I said, I am an ambassador for them, and I do have a link down below, and I do get a little something if you sign up. So thank you so much if you sign up. I really appreciate it. If you want to see any specific videos with any of the products that I got, let me know in the comments down below. If you liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you're following me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box. If you have any video suggestions, please let me know in the comments down below, or if you just want to leave a comment saying hey, please do that too. And that is all I have to say, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!